Hello everyone, welcome back to today's English lesson. In today's video, we are going to learn 23 action verbs in English. These verbs are really important for everyday life. Why are action verbs important? Because we use verbs everywhere. We use them at the shops, at the market, at the hospitals, at the airport, at the bank, at the park, and everywhere we go. Easy commands. So, come on, come on. Another way to say is let's go, let's go. So, come on means come with me or follow me. And you can say come on. Come on, my friend. We are leaving this place. Another easy action verb is hurry up. Hurry up. This means go faster. Go faster. So hurry up. Maybe your friend is in the room playing a game, and you ask him, "Come on, finish faster. Hurry up. Finish." The next one we have is come in. Come in. That means enter, enter. So, this one is a very logical. Come inside. So, when you open the door, a person, and you can say, "Oh, come in, come in." And finally, we have here, hold on, hold on, hold on. So, hold on, this means wait or stop. Wait or stop. If your son or friend is walking very quick, you can say hold on, or wait for me, or stop for me, because you want them to wait for you, or you want them to stop because you want to catch them, right? So now let's continue. We have morning. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock, or I get up at 7 o'clock. We use these action verbs to talk about the morning, when we open our eyes and when we leave our bed in the morning. So repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get up at 7 o'clock. So get up means leave your bed. You can use either. Wake up or get up. That's the same. Now, the next two action verbs are to talk about clothes and other things that you put on your body. For example, rings, necklace, or earrings, and watch for the time. So you can put something on your body. For example, put your shoes on. Put your shoes on. Or put your dress on. Something. And we have take off. Take off your coat. You can use take off your coat. Take off your shoes. Take off your jumper. Take off your t-shirt. something like that. Okay? Great, you are doing fantastic. Then next we have machines and electronics. And we continue with 4 action verbs that use the verb turn on, and turn off. We will go by one by one. For example, you can say, could you please turn off the light? Could you please turn off the light? Turn on the light, please. Turn on the light, please. Could you please turn off the lights? So, turn on means start something, start a machine or something electronic. You can turn on your phone, turn on your TV. Can you turn on the light in the room? It's very dark here. And the opposite of turn on is turn off. Turn off. So, for example, could you please turn off the light? This is a question. This is a request. So, next we have turn up. Turn up. So, the next we have turn up, and turn down. So, can you turn up the volume? Or please turn down the heat. This means increase something or to decrease something is to turn down. For example, can you turn up the volume? I can't hear the TV. Please turn down. Here. Please turn down the heat. It is really hot in this room. Or please turn down the heat. It's very hot. I feel very hot. That was all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, like and subscribe. Thank you.